today's video, we have an incredible compilation of car and motorcycle chases in different Latin American countries. Today, you will discover the bravery of police officers and how they put their lives at risk to uphold justice. Let's get started.
É Brasil, sentido certo. Venha Brasil, sentido certo. Venha Brasil, sentido certo. Lajai. Caiu. Para aí, senão você vai tomar. Para aí, parou. Deita no chão, deita no chão, põe a mão na cabeça. Põe a mão na cabeça. Vem. Qual que é o que pega aqui, menino? Vira aí, vira aí, vira aí. Vira. Araújo Castro, Copão, caiu, tá abordado.
This stupid man caused such a chase because he didn't have a driver's license. The police thought his motorcycle was stolen, but he fled only because he didn't have a license. Because of that stupid decision, he went to jail for committing multiple acts of recklessness and endangering the lives of several people. Let's move on to the next chase.
No detiene la marcha, sigue. Dale, que se va para Ramos.
Te dije, ¿para qué te lo dejaste ir?
Cruzó Carlos Calvo para el semáforo. Dobla para el acceso por escalada.
Vos. ¿Te tiró? ¿Te tiró la red?
No. Vamos en seguimiento, sigue para el acceso. Casi colisiona, dobla otra vez para República. Por Yapeyú, dobló para República.
Yapeyú de República, que hemos vendido de último.
Color gris, doble Manuel Rico para el acceso. Pasó Cauchello, déjame modular. Ahí dobla Ramón Lita para República. Dobla para el puente de Díaz Vélez por República. Ahí dobló el campito para el coto. Ese, ¿qué te pasó? Se metió por la vereda. Vamos.
Dale.
Sigue para el coto, pinchó.
Va a chocar. Ya fue. Sí,
Pará la moto, pará.
Para, que me va a tirar. Sí.
Vamos, Rico Puente.
Dale. No choques el móvil. No choques el móvil.
Desciende del vehículo, dale.
The driver of the vehicle drove onto the sidewalk to avoid traffic and punctured a tire. Realizing this, he stopped the vehicle and everyone decided to run. As they tried to run, the police immediately fired at the criminals. One of them was shot in the leg and fell to the ground, where he was captured. The other criminals were captured 200 meters further on, and none of them managed to escape. Obviously, it was a stolen vehicle. Leave me a comment with your opinion about the firm hand of these officers in neutralizing the criminals. Let's move on to the next fugitive.
Põe a mão na cabeça, 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 põe a mão na cabeça.
Sem querer, na verdade nunca foi.
Cala a boca, mano, cala a boca. Cala a boca.
Não tem nada de errado, nunca tive passado.
Você acha que você consegue? Você acha que você consegue? Eu vi mesmo, você é pouco toque mesmo. Eu vi.
This fugitive attempted to flee from the police, but later reflected and realized that he would not get very far. The motorcycle was not registered in his name, and he did not have a driver's license. However, the motorcycle was not reported stolen. Ultimately, he was issued the corresponding fines, and the motorcycle was impounded until the actual owner, with a license, could claim it. Let us proceed to the next case. In this news story from Brazil, we can see the case that stems from the chase we will see below. In the news story, we can see the video of a black car and a motorcycle trying to stop and steal a white car. The individuals in the car and on the motorcycle are accomplices. They are thieves. The individuals on the motorcycle fired 3 shots at the driver of the white vehicle, but he did not stop. This attempted robbery was reported, and the motorcycle was located, although the individuals on board the motorcycle were not identified. As for the black car, we will see what happened next. Play video. A happy ending, sort of, because even though 2 criminals were caught, we know that the guys on the motorcycle are still out there lurking, waiting to steal cars. Let's hope that the police will be able to catch them and send them straight to jail. Like the video if you enjoyed these incredible chases, and comment on which one was your favorite. To make sure you don't miss the next video, just click the subscribe button, because the next round of street chaos is going to be brutal. Same time, same channel, and don't you dare blink.